Okay, so I'm working on the banner, the slider of the second CloudPath page. Um, Make sure you name all your sliders. Every single banner is going to be a slider, but name it to the corresponding page. So this is going to be for the second CloudPath page, so I'm just going to call it CloudPath 2 so that I know, which page it corresponds to. All I did was clone the original CloudPath banner by clicking on the duplicate icon next to the slider. I'm gonna save this. I changed the slide. All I changed, I just overwrote the content. That's all I did. Overwrote the content. We're even gonna keep the image. The image is actually gonna be switched because there's a spelling mistake in this image. So I sent you a new image. You're gonna just switch these images on these two sliders. And when we're done, we save the changes. I'll show you how it looks right here. So we have this we can delete. CloudPath is our original banner, and then CloudPath 2 is our duplicate. We click on this icon right here, this one, to duplicate it. It says duplicate this slider. That's it. It's that easy. We don't have to create anything new. We're going to do a lot of cutting and pasting and duplicating. Try to keep everything as simple as possible. Do not create new things. Just copy them. Just copy everything and then overwrite the text. That's all. So let's go back to our page. See, we can't use this. This is really messy. Let's switch this banner. We switch the banner over here. We'll switch it to CloudPath 2. Update. I'm gonna update this. Let's view the page, see how it looks. Okay. So this is looking a bit better. I did send some changes for this page, so we're gonna have to do this. This looks good, very nice. This needs to go into a table. It's very simple to do a table. We're gonna copy one, just literally copy the code from the original theme. There's nothing to it. David and Goliath theme demo. Here's the original theme. We can always refer back to this theme. I think I sent you a copy, but if you need the link to this, let me know. And there's elements like charts, typography, stuff like that. So most of the elements you're gonna find here. Okay, so there's lots of nice elements here, but I think it will be under typography, actually. Or maybe not. Ah. Okay, I cannot find the tables right now, but skip this part. Shahab's gonna do it. We can move on to the next item. Okay, so this looks good. These are not sliding in properly. Everything on the left needs to slide from the left. Everything on the right needs to slide from the right. If there's something in the middle, it needs to slide from the bottom. So make sure this applies because I noticed all of them are inconsistent. Why is this thing sliding from the left? Why are these expanding when I click on them? Let's pretend that's not happening. These items should slide from the right. These items should slide from the left. There should be a space between the period and the button. These two things should not be touching. This font is too big. Please make it normal sized. And same with this font. Please make it normal sized. See that there's a space here? Make sure that there's a space here. Please be consistent. Space needs to go here. And then these things need to slide from the left and these things need to slide from the right. And what's going on with this form? What happened to this form? This form was not copied over correctly. This form needs to look normal. This form needs to look like this, so I don't know what happened to it, but let's fix it. Let's fix this form. It's the last item. If it's screwed up, actually, there might be some CSS issues, so ignore it because I already think I know what the problem is, but let's see. Okay, yes, so don't worry, I'll fix this, but remember this thing on the bottom needs to be fixed. These padding things, they need to be corrected. I don't want to see any gaps like this. It was very sloppy. So we're going to go down and remove this padding. Where is it? Off. Use bottom padding on this page. No, when there's color on the bottom, do not use padding. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. This will be corrected, but can go ahead and fix the remaining items. And then I'm going to send another video for the remaining elements.